This is a short video on the Itch-Kep-Pe Park outside Columbus, Montana. We stayed there 6 days. Length of stay max is 10 days, free of charge. There are no hookups, so you'll need to be self-sufficient. Donations are gladly accepted. As you can see, it's in between the cities of Billings and Bozeman, Montana, just off the I-90, situated just outside the small town of Columbus, Montana. Columbus has all services that you'll need for your RV. Enjoy. Here we're coming up on the first loop of 2 in the park. You can see there's restrooms, potable water, dumpsters. Pony rides to the left. There's a golf course situated in between the first and second loop, just off to the west. It's a small town course, so if that's your thing, I'm sure you can get a tee time.
Right next to the golf course here is a dry area field where we were walking the dogs several times a day. Not exactly princess grass like they like the golf course, but it was a place for them to smell and explore, and we really enjoyed that. This coming up here is the donation station, where you can leave some money for the city for what they do here at the park and what they provide.
We're now in Loop B. Actually, the second of the two loops. Just to the left here, you can see a potable water station where you can refill your RV or your water containers. And that's us just ahead on the left. That's our spot. We're coming up on the dock to the right. If you take our spot, keep in mind if the wind blows just right, you may get some funky smells from the dumpster and the outhouse.
And now to my favorite spot where I would have spent all the time possible, but I had to work, is the river. This is the docking area. We brought the dogs here to splash around and had just a wonderful time here. It was beautiful weather, and just literally steps away from where we were staying. So this was just made it such a treat. Really enjoyed it.
We were visiting over Labor Day weekend, so there were a lot of people that weekend, a lot of people on the river, a lot of people rafting, having a good time. It was overall a great experience. We would definitely go back, and we probably will next year when we get a chance. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Here's a few pictures of our camp and our work setup for our eBay resale, how we do it. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We are going to do more videos on the free boondocking sites that we visit. Some free, some not, but majority free, just so that the information's out there. We would have loved to have had this video when we were looking for a spot, so we appreciate the feedback. Leave comments, good, bad, ugly, whatever. Hope y'all enjoyed. Take care. See y'all, hound dogs.